Okay, first things first, I just realized I forgot to put the number assignment on here. So go ahead at the top and put number 19. Just so we can easily reference it if we need to. And on the front, we're just going to practice checking your answer. So that's why it says 1 through 10, check your answer. So just like before, I gave you the answer and just prove it's the right answer. So here we go. Right? And do the multiplication first. -4 times 10, -40. And -40 plus 2 equals -38. So this is the last step you'll do on every problem. We're doing the last thing first, just to make sure we know how to do a check. Now, if you get the same number, right? Okay. That means your answer is correct. If you get a different answer, that means whatever you got as your answer is incorrect and something you need to go back and fix. So different answer means go back and redo it until it does work. Let's try, let's see here. 3, just right below it. So we're trying to check to see if 0 is the right answer. So plug in 0 for our variable. Zero divided by 10. 0 divided by 10 is 0. And 0 plus 6 is 6. Same number, it works. Okay. Now, let me show you one more. What would it look like if you got the wrong answer? So let's say I tried 8. Don't write this down, but let's say if I tried 8, what would happen on my check? If I tried to put in positive 8, I would get 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 2 plus 4 is 6. You see how I don't get the same thing? That means your answer is wrong. Okay? So different means redo. If you ever get a different answer, a different number on both sides, that means you're supposed to redo it and go back and find out, what did I do wrong? How come I'm not getting the same thing? There's a mistake somewhere that you need to find. Right? That's what it means. So if you plug in -8, right? Oh, I forgot a negative. You don't erase it, right? You just go back and try to find out if you can see your mistake. Oh, it's supposed to be negative on my work. So that's going to be negative. -8 divided by 4 is -2. Okay, and now 4 minus 2 is positive 2. Okay, now they match. And I'm good to go. So that's the process of and why we check. You're going to find yourself getting not getting the right answer the first time. But don't start all over. Don't erase everything and say, and then raise your hand saying, well, I got this one wrong. You could have gotten everything right. You just missed a little negative, and you just need to add that in on a few steps, and then it'll work. Okay. Okay. Yes. Let's just go ahead and finish the front. Today we got about, let's see, 49. We got about 10 minutes left in class. So go ahead and finish up the front side for today, and then tomorrow we'll start the back.